so tight. I know you're not my mom and we have only met 6 months ago, but I feel like family to you. Every time I see your face, you're always smiling. You make me feel so welcome. You even go out of your way to buy my favorite apple juice. I want to thank you for every smile and laugh you gave me. I told you how much I loved going to your house and any invite you gave me for any function. I would have told you a dozen times how you're such a great mom and raised a lovely family. Even if your son Tim can drive me up a wall.